this Hitachi camera. It was cable to connect to the TV was still in a sealed bag. I think it may have been used once or twice, but I don't think anybody played. There were 2 tapes. This tape has got an issue, but I'm going to show you how to hook this up. This video cable goes in right here. You pull this little rubber door off. It's a square plug, and that goes back to plug in yellow for video and white for audio. Most camcorders don't have stereo, so you're not going to see right and left. What I recommend you do to enjoy your videos is get a splitter, a female end where you'll plug the male output of that cable into the female splitter, which splitters are usually about 6 inches long, and at the other end will be a red and white. So you'll hear mono, but it'll come out both speakers. So this battery charger connects to the power supply right there on the side, and I've got this plugged into the outlet. So there is a tape which I'll show you how to eject in a second. I'm going to hit the play button. Looks like a swim meet. So it's working pretty well, and it actually looks fantastic. Alright, I've got it on video. We're going to hit the stop button, the blue eject button. You just slide that and just wait a second, and it pops this door open. The tape comes in and out. I don't think you need these other tapes, so I'm not going to include those since you're not creating video. You're getting a battery. I haven't tried to charge it. A remote control, which should work, but you'll need one of those little flat batteries. This is a flash that you mount to the camera if you're going to make videos. You might end up making videos with this. Anyways, this has got everything you need. You can start watching your videos as soon as you open this box up and plug everything in.